Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, et dans cette vidéo, on va apprendre la prononciation de la combinaison E. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. Now, without any further ado, let's get into the video and we are going to learn the pronunciation of the combination, this particular combination in French. Now, this must be sounding and looking weird because this combination doesn't exist in English. You have the separate letter O and you have the separate letter E. But when you combine it, you write it like this. You have to actually join them and then write. And this particular letter, this combination, it doesn't exist in English. It exists only in French, and even in French I would say there are not many words with this combination. But we have to learn what is the sound of this particular combination. So whenever you join these two, first let's learn what is the pronunciation of both these letters, both these vowels I should say, separately. So this is O, O. That's, if I say V-O, that's vo. M-O, that's mo. G-O, that's go. Okay. Now, this is O. 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 Okay. So, if I say V-E, that's V. M-E, that's M. Okay. Now, when you combine these two, the sound that comes is, I should say Okay. You don't have to say a, you don't have to say a, it's okay. Now, very few words are there in French with this particular combination, but whatever are there, I've written. Okay. Now, first is, that's the most common word that you see. That's sir, sir. And you will also realize that, you know, this particular combination is most oftenly followed by the letter U. Mostly I'm saying, okay, not always, but yes, mostly. So that's generally followed by the letter U. So you say une sœur, sœur, because this is with S, it becomes sœur and it becomes sœur, sœur. That's a sister. Okay. Now next is your hat. That's un cœur. So see, very, very similar. Sœur, cœur. Sœur, cœur. So, une sœur et un cœur. You have to combine it and the sound is un cœur. Now, next is an interesting word and that's neuf. Neuf. Now, why did I say neuf? Because here it is ending with a consonant and the next is a vowel. So, you do liaison. You actually combine the sound of these two. But actually, this is œuf. Œuf. With un, it becomes un neuf. Now, this word is a little interesting word because in singular form, it has a different sound. And when I change it into plural, it has a different sound. Let's see if I change it into plural. Okay, I'm writing this word in plural. In singular, it is known as un neuf. Un neuf. Plural, I would say des. Des. So that means when you say it in plural, this F is not pronounced. However, in singular form, it is pronounced. So you say un œuf, des œufs. Un œuf, des œufs. And if you want to say, let's say 2 eggs, then also it is plural. You will say deux œufs. Deux œufs, not deux œufs. Un œuf, des œufs, deux œufs. Okay, alors, next. Again, it's an interesting word. Un œil. Ça, c'est œil. Œil. Again, you will do liaison. But otherwise, this is known as œil. Œil.
So un œil. Now this particular word is interesting in the manner that when you change it into plural, the whole word changes. So you say un œil, but when you, that's an eye. But if you want to say eyes, that's plural. So you say des yeux, and the word completely changes. Okay, un œil, des yeux. There are very few words in French, I should say very few words in French, which completely change when you have to, change it into, There are very few words in French, very few words, I should say only 1 or 2 words in French, which when changed from singular to plural, they change completely. Yeah, so un œil, but when you say eyes, that becomes des yeux. Ok, on continue avec un bœuf. Bœuf, again this is so it becomes un bœuf. That's an ox, or that is also known as beef. Un bœuf. On continue. Une œuvre. Œuvre, that's a piece of art. That's a piece of work, piece of art. So you say une œuvre. And the last that I've written is un ne. You don't pronounce the last consonant, so it becomes un ne. Ne is a not. Okay? So, on répète, hein? Répétez. Une sœur, un cœur, un œuf. In plural, it becomes des œufs. Un œuf, des œufs, 2 œufs. 2 œufs. Un œil, and plural, I told you, that's des yeux. Des yeux. Un bœuf. Un bœuf. Une œuvre. Une œuvre. Un ne. Un ne. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for daily updates and reminders, do not forget to hit the bell icon. And I'll see you very soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.